The wind howled, it rattled the windows all night, I couldn't sleep. It was relentless, I kept pulling the covers tighter. I tried to ignore it, but the sounds, they were different, they weren't just wind. They started softly like a scratching at the door, a low dragging sound. Then it stopped, I held my breath, I listened carefully. Nothing, just the wind. I told myself it was nothing, it was just my imagination. I was being silly. But then it started again, this time louder. It was a rhythmic scraping, a grating sound like metal on stone. It came from outside my window. My heart pounded in my chest, I felt a chill, a deep primal fear. I crept to the window, the curtains were drawn, I peeked through a small gap. The moon was hidden behind clouds. The yard was dark, but I could still hear it, the scraping was closer now. Suddenly I saw it, a shadow moved in the darkness. It was tall and thin, it moved silently. It was dragging something long and heavy. The scraping stopped, the shadow paused, then it vanished. I stood there frozen, my blood ran cold. I didn't dare move, I didn't dare breathe, I couldn't scream. I finally stumbled back. I fell onto my bed, my mind raced. What was that? In the morning the sun shone brightly, the wind was gone, the yard seemed normal. There was nothing unusual, no sign of a struggle, no trace of the shadow, no sign of whatever it was dragging, but I knew something terrible had happened, something I couldn't explain, something I couldn't forget. The scraping sound remains in my memory. It haunts me, I'll never sleep peacefully again. It was real.